I forgot to record, bro. I was playing this whole time without even knowing I'm recording, bro. Now I know I'm recording because there's a green spot.
Defend the objectives.
Sorry, guys. Why am I always being ambushed? I hate this game, bro. I'm always being ambushed. Ignore them, bro. I forgot to. Oh my god. I forgot. Oh, I forgot to record. God, this is my first video. You don't know. Yeah, so I just noticed because I said, because I think of the time of the need to stop doing the thing, the record. I don't know why, but it turned to green and the little green instead of No, they changed everything. This guy's sword, it changed. It's supposed to be suspended.
Down!
Oh! I swear.
Bomb defused.
My friend, sometimes
Nice work.
usually forces me, if it's bored, you usually talk to me and you play. Don't even know what to do.
Defend the objective.
Overflowing. Yeah, I just copied that in the short. But I know.
Targets in sight.
Oh my god, I almost
Enemy
died
is
when I
across the
just
bomb.
played, bro. Now this is gun. Oh my god. Why am I not backing up when I get... No, shoot at the gun. Shoot at the... Oh my god, I never lied. This guy's always the first one. Oh no, not in the second one.
Bomb has been planted.
Bro, you know it's in his back. You know you're in his back. I hate
Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up.
Yes, the baby got stories. I gotta get stories. I'm raining on all players.
Destroy the objective. We got the bomb.
Oh, hate everything. Why am I even existing? Depressed. Oh, this one on here. Come on, man. We're already losing.
Lost the bomb.
Oh my god. I haven't got a single guy.
Target in sight! Down.
Oh my god.
Reloading! Enemy down! Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
Not even. I'm getting everything we want.
Destroy the objective. Bomb acquired.
Targets in sight. Target down!
You've entered the bomb site.
mag-ingat. Ayap. Mga guys, nagpakulat tayo. Nagkaroon na nga ako ng 2 times eh. Naka-record na ako ng 2 times.
It's all up to you
Ay,
now.
naku.
Finish the mission.
Pumatay pa. Dahil tayo, 3-3. Medyo magiging mahal tayo. Di matatalo tayo. Di panalo tayo. Oh! Baka lumapit ka na lang. At saka ambush mo siya. Gusto ko yung baril na to. Siyempre, kinukuha ko lahat ng mga baril. Nakukuha ko lahat ng gusto kong baril. Kasi hindi nga ako lagi eh. Pero yung Call of Duty nag-aaral ako hindi naman stranger. Isa lang gagawin mo. Isa lang gagawin mo.
Ready up.
Isa ka lang gagawin. Parang nakalimutan mo. Ano ba naman? Ang hirap nag-Call of Duty.
Destroy the objective. We got the bomb.
Hindi ako makararo. Kasi hindi ako makararo sa hindi ako makararo Call of Duty. Sa makararo ko. Worst day ko na dito ah. Hey, you want to kill me,
Lost
boy?
the bomb.
This is what I'm talking about, guys. Hindi ako namamatay. Tsaka yung team ko ang pangit. Oh my god.
Lost that round, but it's
So,
not over
talo
yet.
tayo.
Ready up.
Wala na nilang isang win at talo tayo. Great. Hindi na ka nakakapatid.
Destroy the objective.
Hindi pa
Bomb acquired.
nakakapatid rin dati. Nabis ang gumawala yung karating na Nabis yung wala na ako sa kanya. Hindi lagi na sinabi, victory! So, show up! Come on, I know. I know you're there. Ako, nahihilo ako. Lagi na ako natatalo eh.
Enemy contact.
You've entered the bomb site. Nice work. Get ready for the next round. Defend the objectives. The enemy has the bomb.
Oh my god, I hate this.
It's all up to you now. Finish the mission.
Bro, hey bro, snooze. I hate this, bro. I'm gonna stop coding here. I know I just started, but it's like this is a show that I just start This was bad, bro. Oh, my friend's online. Let's see if I can have him invite him to the game. Yeah. yours answer. He always never answers everything that I tell him. He always answers. I'm gonna stop playing. I'm gonna call my friend. So guys, bye bye. Something. Bye. I use this app that everybody use, but I don't know what happens to it when bye bye. So